Okay, Olivia, what are we going to do?
No, this is exercise. Help me get exercise.
Okay, let's get exercise.
Here, put it like this.
Okay.
No, go get exercise.
Okay, you show me what are we going to do. What are we going to do?
You go this, like this.
Down, okay.
And now, take a ball.
Okay, shake your leg up.
No, do it like this. My hand.
Okay, now what?
No. Spin one.
You spin around.
Spin one, Daddy. Like, do that. Do like that.
Spin around. Okay, we throw. We going to do burpees now?
Yeah. Now, we go do exercise.
Okay.
So, and then one more exercise. We're going to do burpees first.
Okay, let's go.
Exercise. Exercise. Go high. Slowly. Okay, that exercise. Exercise. We go do exercise. One, kick it one. Kick it leg. 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 Kick it leg.
This is Olivia's version of the insanity workout.
It's a monkey.
Okay, we're going to do burpees now?
No, it's a monster. It's a monster.
So much for being big, bad, and tough, huh?
It's a monster.
Are we going to do burpees now?